Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take our Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is avoid extra complexity. Many times I review code of users that are doing a lot of operations when they don't need to, and this only adds up lines to their Cloud Code, which makes it harder to read. So for instance, if you're creating an object, try to create it all at once instead of declaring the object and set every single property separately. Create a full object with all its properties, set it up in one place, consuming the least number of lines needed. This will make your code easier to read for other developers trying to maintain it. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you are subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.